Hey there, it's Kathlena, and if you are here, you know it's time to say, dang, that's delicious. Today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make an easy ground beef dinner. We are definitely going Asian with this one. I've got bok choy, onion, kimchi. I've got some dates that I've pitted and chopped up. Now, one of the things we're gonna be using today, this is dried mushroom. You can use any dried mushroom, or if you're not a mushroom fan, just skip it. You're not gonna eat it and be like, oh my goodness, it's awful. It's not like that. But what I opted to do was crush the mushroom, and I'm allowing it to rehydrate a bit in some beef broth, and that's gonna help reinforce the flavor, right? We've got beef on beef. We just kind of want that to keep being carried through. So let's get to work. I'm going to get the rice started first. That way, by the time we're done cooking, our rice will also be ready. And I've just got this really cute rice maker. Like, it's just super cute. I'm going to measure out the rice dry. And to this, I will be adding water. I'm just gonna get the rice cooker started, and then we'll get cooking. Okay, I'm gonna start by getting some oil in my pan. You can use any cooking fat that you like. Give it a little spread. And I'm just going to add my diced onion. I'm also going to add the bok choy. And 1 teaspoon of salt. We're going to mix this up and just let it cook. We're not aiming for a caramelization, but we do want to get some color on these onions and give the bok choy some time to break down a little bit. I have got to tell you, it smells amazing. And it's just from onion. I mean, we'll give the bok choy a little bit of credit. And we've got some nice browning happening. You can see there's a little bit of browning happening. This is a great place to be. And now we're going to add our beef. Once your beef is in, go ahead and add another teaspoon of salt. And we're also going to add in those crushed chilies. And give this a mix. You'll want to break down your beef and really make sure that that salt gets well incorporated. Now that the beef has been pretty well broken down and I've got the onion and bok choy mixed into it, I'm going to add the dates, my mushroom, and my kimchi. All right, I have allowed this to cook down, and you can see we've got like this little bit of sauce going here, and that's what we want. We're actually gonna, when we serve this over the rice, we'll allow that to just go over the rice and help make the dish just a little extra special, extra flavor. Okay, now that I've got our beef done, it's been cooking down. The beef is cooked all the way through. The flavors have melded together, and we are now ready to serve this over our cooked rice. Got the cooked rice from outside, and I let some of the steam out. Already, but apparently there was more. So it's a good thing it was outside for a while. We're just gonna put a little bit of salt on this rice and give it a little mix. Now I will add our cooked beef right on top. And then you'll want to tilt your pan to get some of those juices. And just pour those juices right on top. That's it. This is how we make a super easy beef dinner. If you can't have beef, you can use ground bison. Ground pork would also work in this instance. I wouldn't necessarily use turkey or chicken. It's a little bit lighter, it's leaner. It doesn't mean it won't work. It just, you will have a different outcome. But I think you'll still enjoy it. I hope you guys have a chance to make this. I'd tell you what it tastes like, but as you know, I am basically allergic to all the food I make. And I will have the taste testers let you know how it goes. Be sure to read the recipe notes. Yeah, get ready to say, dang, that's delicious. Wow, that really does look delicious. And I love all the extra veg. This is good. This is very good.